What's up, guys? I am in front of the chicken coop today. Got a 5-gallon bucket, and I am drilling holes in it on the bottom and the top, and you're about to find out why. Once you get enough holes, put holes all the way around the bottom, I'm gonna show you how to use this 5-gallon bucket to give free food to your chickens, extra protein. For those of you that do not know, raccoons are super predators with chickens. They're going to really take a toll on your chicken. This last 2 years, due to raccoons, have lost over 15 chickens that I keep buying, replenishing, and they die again. So last night I came out and I happened to see a family of raccoons attacking chickens, trying to attack the chickens. I have dispensed of 1 and 2 right there, 3 others, but they are missing. I don't see them. So a coyote probably ran off with them or something, or a fox. But these that I got here, because the raccoons have eaten my chickens, I will use them to create a maggot farm. I'm gonna throw them in here, hang that, you'll see that next. Once it is hung up, flies that are already on it, as you can see, are going to continue to break it down, lay maggots. The maggots will then fall out. You're gonna get really, really good proteins. And one tip, make sure you hang it away from your house, because it will stink. Don't forget to like and subscribe, y'all. And here we are with Mr. Raccoon, Mrs. Raccoon. Be careful not to touch it. You can also do this with roadkill, guys. All right. This bucket up, and now I'm in my chicken run. As you can see, Carl there keeps throwing. In a cruel twist of fate, cute though deadly raccoons that were feasting on my chickens will now be feasted upon by flies, and their bodies will feed my chickens. So nature's metal, you can check that out there. Super simple from a lean concept. This is work once, pay many. I've got a maggot farm now, which sounds very unappetizing to the ears, but basically that is going to help feed all these critters here with tons of food. You don't have a critter problem. Sometimes chickens will die. You can throw them in here. Sometimes you'll see roadkill on the side of the road, and it's a great way to supplement the protein. Some people I've seen will have this in a bucket underneath it to catch all of them, and they'll freeze them periodically so they have that extra protein for the winter, so they can supplement their feed. But here's a great way where I've spent 5 minutes to create this bucket, hung a bucket in my chicken run, and now it's just gonna produce for the rest of the summer. If you like this kind of stuff, remember, this is the Homestead Hobby channel. I have a business, finance, real estate channel. It teaches about how to eliminate the struggle from business and finance and real estate. Like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.
Boom, bam, ba da ba ba bam, boom, bam, ba da ba ba bam, boom, bam, ba da ba ba bam, boom, ba da da bam, bam.